Okay, got my wheels and tires mounted today. Grand total $579. So that's still get close to $300 a piece. These are Goodyear Eagles P235 50R 17-inch rims. It's about $300 a piece to replace them. Okay, we're gonna get some tires put on this thing today. This is what happens to the tire pressure sensor when you run on it with a flat. It just destroys it. Here's our new tires over here in the garage. We're gonna get them put on. Okay, got both the new wheels put on. Wheels and tires. This one, if you remember, had a big old puncture on the rim and the tire, and it messed up the camber. The rod in there is bent, so I'm gonna have to see if I can't get it out. The rod to adjust the camber or the toe or whatever that is. But I'm gonna have to. Anyway, I've got it adjusted where it's much better. If you look down through there, see how it's kicking out of there in the front. It's much better than what it was. I could do a camera trick real quick. Watch how fast I can fix it. Bam, it's done. Now this is my 2008 STS. Headlight's a little foggy. I could get a refinishing kit for that. The grill's all nice in that. See, in my other one, it's got the headlight washers right in this area. They pop out, spray over onto your headlights. And this is the 11. This is the line that connects to the washers. I'm going to take all that apart and get it off of there. Yeah, I'm going to do away with it. I done got a front bumper that's already shipped and it's on the way. I got to wait on my paint. And I got nice wheels and tires on it. About ready to go take her for a drive. Got this headlight back together. Looks like it's going to work okay. Just got to put some sealer on it now. Be good to go. Today we're changing oil in the 2011 Cadillac, and we're also changing the gasket on the bottom of the oil pan. It wasn't leaking this morning, but we're going to go ahead and change it anyway. Okay, new filter, new O-ring. Go back in with it. Of course, everybody knows how to change oil, I hope. Okay, on this headlight, I got it sealed up here using the same RTV sealant that I use for the headlights and the tail lights. Wasn't sure that was going to come out or not. Been so long since I did use it. I thought it was might be out of pressure. But hopefully that's going to work. Got it sealed on the top here, and then I got it sealed in behind. So hopefully that'll help keep the water out of it. That's the broken mount on this one. I'm not sure if that's still on the car or not. I'll have to look and see. I don't know if I can put that back together. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Nice and clear lens. There's the crack right there. We're going to try it and see how it's going to do. These are very expensive headlights. Kind of got the projector beam in it. So I figured I'll just see if I can get this one fixed instead of buying another one. That's $300 for a used one, and $600 plus for a new one. I ordered them bottom fog lights and turn signals. Ordered them like 3 times. They got canceled every time, got refunded. I was trying to buy them new, and coming out of warehouse they didn't have any. So I had to wind up buying them used. Anywhere from $50 to $65. Almost a new price. I think $65 for a new one, and they canceled it. Wouldn't let me have it. Of course, if they ain't got it, they ain't got it. So I'm having a hard time getting parts. Luckily, they did ship the front fender and the front bumper, just the plastic part. I think this front bumper is going to be easier to paint than the Camaro bumper. There's not a whole lot to it. I got both mirrors that came in now. I'm going to have to touch them up a little bit with the silver paint, make them look a little better. I just noticed a dent on this thing. I may have to replace both them chrome pieces. This door still got a little bit of adjustment to do on it. See, my gap is still pretty tight here. See, the gap's pretty tight. Need to adjust that hinge a little bit more. And it's still pushed out a little bit. But I need to do a little bit more adjusting on it. But it's a whole lot better than it was. This is over here on the passenger door. The one that remember the one that was sticking way out? Couldn't even close it. You could close it, but it had a big old 1.5 inch, 2 inch gap in there. Yeah, I think the front's off a little bit. This tire's kicked out just a little bit, and the other one's straight. So it's not too bad off. I think this in here is going to be fine. Okay, I just got this disc in the mail the other day. Yesterday. I'll see if this thing's going to work. we're out here in the hot tub room. Most of you haven't seen this room either. I got it all decked out, Sammy Hagar stuff. This is my overflow room. I got projects, I put my boxes out here. Okay, this is the bumper. All wrapped up. This is one of the fog lights and blinkers. See if I can open that real quick. Okay, here it is. It's not brand new, but it's in really good condition. It's just got the built-in mounts on it. This is the right side. These mounts right here that mount to the front bumper. But it's a little bit scuffed up. It'll work. Now we'll go on to the next box. Automotive fan assembly. Pretty good. Oh my. That box is dirty. And on to the next box. This is the inner fender. On the inner fender, you got two parts. You got the fronts and the backs. And this one's the back one, where all the damage is, where all busted out. Okay, this is the fender. That's the fender down there. I'm not gonna unbox it right now, but got it wrapped up really good. Okay, this is one of my mirrors. I got it in silver. You see it's kind of scuffed up here a little bit. Down here on the end's got a real black mark on it. So I'm going to have to sand all this down and basically shoot another silver on it. Put some clear coat on it. Make it look nice again. Okay, looks like this one came off a 2010 STS. This will be the driver's side. This one looks pretty clean. I might not even have to work on this one. This one was the most expensive one. It's still $50, but $20 shipping. So that's my mirrors. Okay, got another box here. This would be the lateral link. Okay. This is the lateral link that got bent. And that's so heavy, it'd be really hard to straighten that out. That's where you do your tire adjustment. So, one more thing to put on the car. Okay, got another box here. Another fog light and blinker. Like it's in real good shape. Make sure I got these right. That one's a left. That one's a right. Got my fog glass, blinkers, got two mirrors there. Also had the radiator came in. Okay, there's the radiator and the fan together. And I'll still need to get a condenser, because in the accident it pushed the bottom way up like that. Probably pushed it up 6 to 8 inches. And how it's still working, I don't know. No leaks on the radiator and the condenser both. Shoved them both up. And then it messed up the fan. It got into the bottom part of the fan, busted it. And as you hear it in some of my videos, it goes click, 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 click. Yeah, it makes when the fan comes on. But we're going to get all that replaced. Like I say, I still need to order a condenser, but I'm going to wait till the weather cools off a little bit before I break into that system. So that's all my boxes for this week. That's the majority of stuff I need. I'm still waiting on paint. So this whole room is full of boxes now. So it'll take me a while to get all this put together, but it'll be worth it. I'm going to conclude this video. So thanks for watching.